If you are planning to buy new furniture for your house, this video is for you. In this video, we will discuss in detail how to make a smart and stylish furniture selection for coffee tables or center tables from any of the IKEA store. This video will not only save your money and time, but will also help you select furniture like a professional architect. In the end, I have given my recommendations just to make your selection little more easy. So let's start with coffee table or center table selection. I am architect Sachit and welcome to our career homes. IKEA's coffee table collection starts with Gladom tray table. This table is a circular table with 45 cm dia. This is available in black as well as white colors. It will cost you just ₹999 or $25. For rectangular coffee tables, Nordland coffee table is the entry level choice. The size of this table is 80 cm by 50 cm. It's available in black and brown color. It will cost you just ₹1,990. If you are looking for a glass top coffee table, then go for Wittstow coffee table. This comes with the black metal legs. The diameter of this table is 75 centimeters and it will cost you around ₹3,990 or $75. If you are looking for a movable coffee table or a coffee table which is on casters, then go for Vihal's coffee table. This table comes in white color. It has adequate storage space. The size of this table is 91 cm by 37 cm. It will cost you ₹4,490 or $60. IKEA has a very beautiful collection of twin coffee tables. They call it nest of tables. Hemjudan is the twin coffee table, which is available in white color. It will cost you ₹4,490. Next in the line is Lunar coffee table. This table is available in brown as well as white color. There are two sizes. The bigger size is 90 cm by 55 cm and it will cost you around ₹5,990 or $75. The side table of the Lunar coffee table is of the size 55 cm by 45 cm and it is available at a very competitive price of $3,990 or $60. If you are looking for something little sturdy or rustic, then go for Jalbo center table. This comes in the size of 90 cm by 46 cm. The tabletop is wooden and the understructure is mild steel, black powder coated. The mesh which is at the lower level makes it look really sturdy. IKEA has given a lot of importance for functionality. They have center tables which have storage underneath. Angsbean storage table is such example. It is 60 cm in dia and will cost you ₹7,990 or $85. The next in the line is Hautsa coffee table. This table is available in white as well as in dark brown color. Size of this table is 75 cm by 60 cm. The price of this table will be ₹899 or $219. If you are looking for a square shaped coffee table, then you have two prominent options: Hemnes coffee table and Leotorp coffee table. Hemnes coffee table is 90 cm by 90 cm. It will cost you around ₹11,990 or $219. Whereas Leotorp coffee table is 93 cm by 93 cm. It's little more pricey. It will cost you around ₹18,990 or $349. There are lots of other options of center tables. Most of these tables you will find in white, black or grey color. They are typical Scandinavian minimalistic designs. Raksta twin table will come in white, black and beige color. It will cost you around ₹699 or $159. If you are tired of grey, black or white colors, you want to explore something woody, then go for Lowbacon table. This table has a very unique design. The shape of this table is like a leaf with a wooden texture on the top. The understructure and the edges are in black color. That gives it a very unique look. Lowbacon side table will cost you just 5990 rupees or $85. Apart from these coffee tables, there are some other coffee tables which are available. We are trying to cover coffee tables which are prominent and kind of signature coffee tables from IKEA collection. Next in the line is the Visbro coffee table. This table is 60 cm in diameter and comes in white and black colors. The specialty of this table, it has a storage facility. The price of Visbro coffee table is around 4,490 rupees or $60. That takes us to the last part of this video, which is architect's recommendation. We have handpicked these furniture items considering functionality, aesthetics and cost of the furniture. If you are looking for the golden balance, then go for Lunark coffee table. This table will be very useful because its tabletop size is 90 cm by 55 cm. Apart from the top, you have extra storage available at the lower level, which is very useful for keeping newspapers or magazines. The woody texture of this table will give that necessary warmthness to your living room. This table costs you only 5,990 rupees or $75. So just go for it. If aesthetics is your top priority, then go for Lisabo coffee table. These are the twin tables. The size of table is 70 cm by 70 cm, which will cost you 9,990 rupees or $119. The smaller table is of the size 45 cm by 45 cm, which will cost you 7,990 rupees or $89. They have a very wonderful reverse waterfall edges. These tables will definitely make your living room look contemporary. My next recommendation is Stockholm coffee table. This table is a sheer piece of Scandinavian beauty. The size of this table is 180 cm by 59 cm and it comes in walnut veneer finish. What Stockholm is for Sweden? In my opinion, this table can be for your living room. It looks really beautiful with its veneer texture, adding that necessary warmthness in your living room. This coffee table will cost you 19,990 rupees or $329. If you love Scandinavian minimalistic design, then Tofferdy center table is for you. This table is 95 cm by 95 cm in the size and it comes in white and black color. The cost of this table in India will be 17,990 rupees and in US it will cost you around $300. If you are going ahead with Stockholm center table, then you can pair it up with Stockholm nest of tables. They come in the same walnut veneer finish. These are twin tables. You can use it in your living room or you can use them as a side tables. These tables will cost you 18,990 rupees or $300. That was Architect's recommendation for coffee table for your living room. Hope this information was useful for you. We will be back with some more information on IKEA's furniture. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel.